Today I wanna start our next and something different topic. It is finance. Yet you know about finance. Before this lesson, I've told you already. I will shift my choice, my ambition. Okay, so this is here. It is infinite finance. So I will share with you completely strategies about finance, how to invest, how to grow, how to make money, and these kind of other things I will provide you. Okay, so in this lesson we're gonna start finance topic. Okay, so in this video I will tell you most important aspects about finance and budgeting also. So first of all, what is finance? Okay, so finance word are covered is covered all these kind of aspect like assets. You know about assets. I think you have about it. But assets means valuable possessions or resources. Your valuable possessions or resources, okay, they are all assets. Next, it also cover liabilities. Liabilities means financial obligations or debt. Next, investments. Okay, investment also comes in finance. Okay, so investment means assets acquired for future growth. When you acquire some assets for your personal growth or future growth, it is called fine investments. Next, money. Money means basic medium of exchange. Okay. Next, finance word core concept in finance management. Here, our first and most important thing here, core concept in finance, financial management, and it is set on money, then assets, then liabilities, and then investment. Okay, so this is a circle. It is start from finance, then end on investments. Okay, so this is something complicated topic. When you start and when you reach at that end point. Okay, so this is something difficulties. This is very difficult, and but let's see this simplify. Okay, here first of all you understand financial terms. So I have two financial terms. These are very important here. First is asset and next is liability. I already told you about assets. Assets means valuable possessions of a person. Valuable possessions of a person, like your home, uh, your home, your business, your company, and your jobs, other things. These are assets. Next, liability. Liability means debt onto other party. Debt onto another party. Okay, so you understand this is something important here. Okay, next I want to talk about financial fundamentals. Without knowing financial fundamentals, uh, understanding of finance, okay, it will be very difficult. So before starting our lesson or before starting our points to grow on finance, so you have to understand these aspects. It is profit. Profit means the financial gain when revenue exceeds expenses. Equity. Equity represents ownership or assets value after liabilities. Expenses. the cost acquired in earning value. Revenue, the income generated from your sales. Okay, the income generated from sales, it is called revenue. So what is fundamental of finance? So here, expenses, profits, equity and revenue. These are four most important aspects here. So I think you understand and the definition of these aspects, and generally you understand. Next, understanding basic concepts, basic financial concepts. Basic concepts like interest. You know interest? Interest means the cost of borrowing money, often expressed as APR. Compound interest. You know, interest is two types, simple and compound. So it is simple and next is compound interest. Interest calculated on principal and accumulated interest. It is compound interest. Credit, the ability to borrow money or access goods with deferred payment. It is credit. Debt means money borrowed, you must be repaid with interest. It is debt. So you understand financial concepts like interest, compound interest, credit or debt. You understand? Okay.